a very sad and unfortunate news.
We need to cancel the tour.
Here,
Wala tayong
meron
tutuloy today.
Cancelled na ang tour, guys, kasi may low pressure area. Guys, mic test. Akala mo professional vlogger. We're finally here, guys. And we're off to Kiloma. Quick update. We've made it here sa Kiloma. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung gaano ako ka-stress right now. First and foremost, guys, sa airport pa lang, may kagagahan ako na nagawa. Yung DJI ko na kay Miss Clarissa Bagcos. So, nilagay niya sa Power Mac na box, yung DJI. Tapos may mga iba kasi akong bikini. Tapos, nag-order na kami ng coffee, video, and all that stuff. Tapos, nung 4:30 na, boarding time na. So, punta kami sa gates. Tapos, wala ng tao. So, nagtanong si Kla. Sabi niya, kaya nag-board na ba? So, nag-board na. So, diretso na kami. Tapos, alam mo yung okay na lahat, nag-check-in kami, nandun na kami sa bus, papunta sa plane. And then it hit me, hindi ko dala yung paper bag. Tama ba yun guys? Naiwan ko siya doon sa pinagkainan namin. Tapos sigla. Actually, kitang-kita ko yung panic sa mata mo na nung sinabi ko na wala yung paper bag.
Kasi it's brand new.
Yeah. And while I was thinking, nung pabalik ako, sabi ko, shucks, ang mahal nun.
And we're in the Philippines, so
Yeah.
isip ko bang mamamay ko mukha.
Actually,
Tapos, isa pang factor doon, yung paper bag is Power Mac.
yeah,
So baka isipin pa ng ibang tao is
baka
cellphone yun,
Apple
iPhone.
product or something. So guys, alam nyo, feeling ko yun yung pinaka-fastest na takbo na naranasan ko sa buong buhay ko. Thank God, nandun pa rin siya. Walang gumalaw actually. Tapos pagbalik ko sa bus, alam nyo yung feeling na my legs are about to give up. Literal guys, ganun yung feeling. Summary, we started this trip a bit rough. Chaotic actually. Tapos si Kla nakukuha niya pa talaga na mag-video habang alam mo yun, nag-i-struggle ako. Now, we're just having breakfast in the Kiloma office. Ang daming foreigner. Bilang sa daliri.
Sabi ko dito, ang Filipino.
Parang kami po yata yung foreigner. Nasa Pinas ba tayo? I'm not really sure. Guys, tama ba yun? Kami lang yung hindi ibang lahi dito. Parang mali po yata kami ng bansa na napuntahan.
Parang kami yun na okay sa sarili natin.
Guys, we're finally at the port. And yes, kind of. I can see it kind of. Ang init. Bakit naman ganun? Like, hindi nakaka-aesthetic yung itsura ko right now. Nakikita niyo ba yung sitwasyon ko? We're watching the performance. Tapos andyan yung nasa gilid yung mga makaka-organic encounter natin mamaya. Ay! Dude. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang may balat sa puwet. Pwedeng umamin ka na.
It's Not me!
Guys, a very sad and unfortunate news. If you saw sa previous clip, like meron ng performance by Kiloma dancers.
We need to cancel the tour!
Shoot, yeah. As you can see earlier,
And wala tayong
meron ng-
tutuluyan today.
Guys, so long story short, as in kakatapos lang ng performance, tapos biglang nag-announce yung mga yung tour, yung may handle ng tour na cancelled na.
We did use your account sa tours, di ba?
Oh shit,
Just
yeah.
the hotel yung sa akin.
Cancelled na ang tour, guys, kasi may low pressure area and then Coast Guard na yung nagsabi or nag-advise na hindi talaga pwede. So, it's not gonna happen, guys. It's not gonna happen at all. And mukha lang kami hindi nagpapanik, pero nagpapanik na kami kasi pagbalik ng El Nido, we don't have a place to stay. Guys, update. Pagpasensyahan nyo na, I look like pure shit right now. As I was saying, it was canceled because of low pressure area. Like, in-expect na nila na it will get worse. It was just such a bummer kasi literally right after the performance ng mga dancers, nag-announce yung tour na nag-handle na like that time lang talaga sila na advice na it's canceled. And right on the spot, sumakay kami pabalik ng jeep going back to Kiloma office. Now, we've canceled everything. We've canceled yung Dion Hostel. We've canceled yung tour. We've canceled yung ferry. Everything is canceled. But now we're trying to figure out what to do. Because if you think about it, 1 week kami sa El Nido. So this is gonna be a long, long, long time. We cannot stay in El Nido for 1 week. So, I don't know what's gonna happen for now. We're trying to figure it out. And yun. Good thing na they refunded yung 9,000 na down payment, and then we're trying to negotiate na i-refund din yung 9,000 like cash also. I'm just so glad na yung friendship namin ni Kla, random thought lang, I'm just so glad na yung friendship namin ni Kla is way past na ng like traveling stage. So this, parang of course bummed kami, but like it is what it is. So
This is what happened, guys.
oh, tell them, yeah.
The typhoon or yung bagyo is nasa gitna between Coron and El Nido. It's in Linapacan Island. Isa yun sa pag-i-stayan namin during boat expedition. Kaya hindi kami pinalabas ng Coast Guard kasi yung biyahe namin tomorrow is sa amin talaga tatama yung bagyo. And yung bangka namin is hindi kaya yung ganong bagyo. Then, ang option namin today, magstay kami dito sa El Nido until tomorrow. Then, tomorrow 12 noon, pwede kami mag-fast ferry going to Coron. Usually, it's 4 to 5. Pero kasi yung mga napapanood kong vlog, parang usually 3 hours lang naman siya or 4. Then, since 5 bukas, biyahe lang kami ng hapon. Tapos, umaga ng 6, pwede kami mag-tour, tsaka 7. Then, balik kami sa original plan ng 8, is babalik kami ng El Nido. Then, tour kami sa El Nido ng 9. Then, alis kami ng 10.
So, at
At least, ibang lugar naman yung talagang magkukurong kami. Sayang kasi kung di kami makapag-Coron kasi parang na kami nakapag El Nido. Nakapag-island tour na kami dito. Nagawa na namin mostly lahat. So, sayang. And the weather is still good pa rin naman daw. I mean, may mga times lang daw na uulan. Pero hindi siya totally bagyo. So, pwede pa rin naman kami mag-activities talaga. So, ngayon, pwede kaming pumunta ngayon ng Isla Cabanas, mag-zipline, mag-canopy walk. Then tomorrow, Nakpan Beach, then go ron. O, diba? Meron ako itinerary sa utak ko.
Na para bang kasali kayo sa tour namin. Napaka-detailed, guys. Yun yung nakakainis, guys. Ang dahilan nga is the weather. Pero like, if you could see right now sa background ko, guys, blue na blue yung langit. I'll update if there's any further progress. But as of now, I'm pissed. Bakit naman on this day pa? Okay, I'll update later. Guys, update. We were dropped off here at the
We're in town proper.
Yeah. And look at the view, guys. Can you see this right now? Like, this camera is probably not doing justice of the view right now that we have. Guys, life update. We're here at Friends at the main building. And then we went here sa hub to get some food. Anyway, let's check what we have here. Ano yung in-order ko before na hindi ko makalimutan? Hot latte, I think. But I cannot see it anymore. Nakakatawa yung mga pagkain nila, guys. It's like 300 and above. Life update, guys. It's 12:30. After how many hours of interruptment? Is that a word? This hangry person is now eating.
So hungry. So sorry. Hindi nga na makikita yung pagkain.
Guys, this is the food. Ako na lang magpapakita. Tcharan! This is the Alfredo pasta, was it? Yeah. Huwag niyo na alamin yung presyo kasi may mga bagay na dapat kinakalimutan na natin the moment na gastusin. Sa totoo lang, inis na inis ako, but like, what to do? So, ang mga nagawa na namin, nakapag-book na kami for El Nido to Coron Ferry for tomorrow. We've also booked our hotel for one night only because we have nowhere to stay here. Anyways, it is what it is.
Sorry, ito yung nasabi masarap. Talaga nagugutom na ako.
It's good. Walang lasa yung tinapay.
Kinapay.
What can you say, Miss Clarissa Bagkus? May energy ka pa ba sa lahat ng nangyayaring ito?
I'm listing everything. Sobrang saya natin sa aeroplano.
Yeah.
Hindi nga tayo natulog eh. Tapos, wala na.
Honestly, I don't know how I'm still functioning right now. To think na,
Can I have your phone?
ilang oras
I'm
na
gonna
akong
list
walang
down the prices.
tulog. Yan lang. Wala na akong update. I just wanna lay down right now and sleep. Wala. Ang dami ko sinabi. Hindi na bukas yung mic. It's 3:53. We're roaming around to find an ATM. Oh, di ko sinabing ATM machine.
Good job, good job.
To find an ATM to deposit the money that we have. Kasi nga na-cancel yung boat expedition namin. So, din ang pera namin na-refund. Ayoko na magkape. Guys, oh my God. Look at our view right now.
Ayoko na.
Wow, 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 wow. I feel like, again, the camera is not doing any justice. Wow. Amazing. Fantastic. Phenomenal. Life update. We're off to
Las Cabanas.
Las Cabanas. After so many errands. Pagdating namin ng Metrobank, bawal mag-deposit ng cash sa machine. Pwede lang daw over the counter, no? Pwede daw over the counter.
Oo, kaya lang sarado na sila.
Kaso sarado na sila. Tapos, I'm so glad. Sana naririnig nyo kami. I'm so glad na kapag-book agad kami ng
Malate ako.
ferry. Oh yeah. nakapag-book agad kami ng ferry for tomorrow kasi fully book na siya. So we're off to Las Cabanas for some drinks or maybe mango shake. I don't know. We'll have to see what's there.
Alam mo, hindi pa ako sinasabi sa'yo.
Ano?
Medyo mahaba-haba pa yung lalakarin natin papuntang Las Cabanas.
It's fine.
In the sun.
In the sun. Gusto ko yung sinabi mo na nandito na tayo kasi
Oo.
wala naman na ako magagawa. Nandito na tayo.
Ah.
Guess may pambubudol na ginawa si Clarissa. Yung mga tricycle dito, minimum 100. Pero sabi namin, kuya, magkano po hanggang Las Cabanas? Tapos lahat sila sinasabi, from town proper, lahat sila sinasabi, 150 po. Sabi ni Clarissa, di ba 100 lang yun? Na para bang lokal siya dito.
Feeling ko, baka kala ni Kuya, lokal ako nasabi. Siguro taga rito si Mom, kaya niya pinipilit yung 100.
Like with full confidence yung voice and intonation niya, guys. Di ba 100 lang yun? Ganon. Tapos yung una, ayaw pumayag. Naglalakad na kami, sabi namin, kuya, tawagin mo kami, dito pa kami, aayaw. O di wag. Pangalawa, sinabi niya ulit yung magic line, di ba 100 lang yun, kuya? Sabi, ma'am. Parang napaisip-isip si kuya.
Parang sabi
Tapos,
niya, okay na to, kaysa walang masakal.
Tapos, paalis na kami. 3 steps lang, guys. Sabi niya, ma'am. Ma'am, sige. Okay na po, 100. Tapos, nagdadrive siya. Alam ko na kung bakit 150. Parang galit na galit tuloy siya. Siya naman yung pumayag. Na para bang kasalanan namin na napapayag.
Guys, pero totoo talaga yun. Ang minimum talaga yung tricycle dito is 100 regardless kung ilan yung sakay. Usually, 4. Tapos 25 lang each.
Listen to your local girly, guys. Minimum 100.
And sobrang lugi kaya nung iba na 100 binabayad nila. Tapos ang konti lang ng distraction. Parang
Oo.
tricycle natin kanina nung lunch.
So, dapat ganun yung tip next time with intonation. Di ba 100 lang yun? With matching pagtaas ng kilay. Ganun dapat.
Tapos, sige, wag na kuya.
Tapos babagalan nyo yung lakad nyo. Kasi pag umalis agad kayo, hindi na kayo habulin yan. Tamang lang, sige kuya. Asan ang sinabi mong lalakaran?
Wait lang.
Ay, sorry.
Baka mo pinaglakad na tayo.
Guys,
Wait lang
look.
muna.
Amazing. Wonderful. Fantastic. Sorry. Eto na, guys.
Dito.
Wow. We're here for the sunset later, guys. Tanan! Sana nakikita nyo lahat ng nakikita namin. Yes. Amazing. We're finally here in Las Cabanas Beach. Oh my God, guys. Look at the view. Yan na naman siya. May mambabash na naman sa akin. May mambabash na naman kasi inaano ko yung camera. Guys, look! Guys, life update. Puro na lang life update yung intro ko. I don't know what time it is, pero it's almost, let's say,
6:18.
6:18. Meron pala siyang Apple Watch. 6:18, we have our drinks. What was your drink? Tell them.
Mine. This is Sex on the Beach.
Sex on the Beach. And mine is
Yours is Blue Hawaii.
Blue Hawaii because I want something sweet. So we'll be the judge of it later. But as of now, this is our view, guys. And then nagpaka-epal kami kanina dun sa harap. Pumunta kaming gitna. Kasi lahat sila pumunta sa gitna. So hindi man pwede na sila lang yung epal. So umepal din kami. But we took bomb-ass Digicam pics.
Yes! I'm so glad you brought it.
Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Okay, so we'll be the judge. We'll be the judge of this drink if matamis talaga siya. Bago tayo mag-time-lapse, guys. You took pictures of it na, right? Oh. It is matamis. Pero may hint siya of gamot.
Like what gamot?
You see it, like aftertaste.
Meron ako nakain ganun yung lasa eh. Pwede ko na siya makuha. Pero hindi siya gamot for
It's
me.
like gamot. For me, like, it's like gamot. Parang yung aftertaste niya.
Alam mo,
Okay.
it's like orange. You like this better? You like this better?
Yeah. It's always like this, guys. Yung
know
i-order
what?
niya,
You know why?
What?
We ordered something similar na before.
Sa LU.
No,
Was
sa
it sa
Kihor.
LU? Sa Kihor?
In, what's the name of this? Yung beach club? Runic.
Ah.
Yeah, tapos Sex on the Beach yung sa akin, tapos kay Ake is something na isa pa, tapos iba rin sa'yo. Sa'yo yung something na may puti. Like, pineapple something.
Yeah, okay, I remember now. Oh. Pero it's always like this, guys. Mas gusto ko lagi yung order ng mga kasama ko. Bakit naman ganun? Wait, let's show them first our food. Can you show them? What is this?
Basta patatas.
Basta nga haba kasi ng pangalan, guys, pero patatas
Basta
yun.
patatas.
So, kakain na kami at magta-timelapse kami, guys. Okay? Yala! $6:59, guys. Literally 1 minute before 7 p.m. And we are finally going to try to go home. Kasi sobrang dilim ng dadaanan namin. Did you enjoy?
Of course.
Of course.
Beautiful picture.
Yes. Bomb-ass Digicam pics, just like what I've said earlier, guys. Yun ang bawi natin dahil na-cancel lang. Food expedition, like, ang thoughts ko lang naman, like, okay, gets ko na it could happen, you know, weather is very unpredictable. Pero why did it have to happen to us? Pwede naman sa ibang tao. Ang sama. Pero like, bakit? Guys, nanggaling pa ako ng Dubai, oh. Inuwian ko to si Clarissa para lang. Para matuloy ito, and then this happened. Tomorrow, fingers crossed, let it be very smooth. We have a ferry from El Nido to Coron. And as I've said earlier, fully booked na siya, guys. So I just hope everything will go well. Fingers crossed again. And yeah, we're gonna go home. I don't have anything left to say anymore. Sinisipon na ako. I guess I'll have to see you in the accommodation.
We're not going home yet.
Where are we going?
We're gonna buy some fries.
Guys, kasi, for context, nag-order kami na, di ba, pinakita namin yung potato. Tapos, ang ganda kasi ng sunset, guys. Sabi namin, shit, we need to take this moment and take bomb-ass Digicam pics. Tapos, pagbalik namin, nakaganon na yung aso sa table namin, no. Kinakain niya na yung...
Guys, kita na aso yung pagkain namin. Oh my God. So, ngayon gusto ko pa kumain ng fries. Ay, may McDo dito.
Nag-crave na siya sa sa potato. Tapos,
Ang sarap ng potato.
tapos ang nakakatawa, nung nakita ko yung aso, pipigilan ko pa. Na para bang makakain pa namin yung...
Na para bang pwede kainin yung may laway.
Sabi ko, hoy!
Ako pa yung mawat sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanya, hindi, hayaan mo na siya, ibigay na natin. Parang ayaw niya pa ibigay. Nalawayan na yun.
Ang sarap ng kain niya, guys. Like, yung mouse niya literal na nakaganon sa bowl namin. So, sabi ko na lang, sige, hayaan mo na nga. Baka first meal of the day niya. Aray ko. Sabi ko talaga yung panic ko, hoy!
Para naman pipigilan pang kumalat yung laway ng aso.
Para bang sasabihin na aso, ay, sorry, sige na.
Sorry, nakain ko na eh.
Oh my God! Visit, nararamdaman ko na to. Didiretso ko kasi.
Tumatawa naman sa'yo.
Okay.
Alam ko na tayo papalak nilagay nila dyan eh.
Now we need to go to McDo dahil nagkikrave nga si Clarissa. So, we'll see wherever we are later. Usapan fries lang. Bakit naging kanin to? Bakit sabihin mo?
Uy, ikaw muna nagkanin.
Ay, sorry. Ako pala may kasalanan, guys. Kasi gutom na ako. So, hindi ko na talaga kaya chicken. And then yours is just spicy. So, wala nang kwenta yung mga update ko. Nagbubukas lang ako ng cam for the sake na nabuksan ko siya. Kasi sabi ko kay Kla, she needs to bully me every time na hindi ako nag-open ng DJI. So,